To make this easy cowl, you can either work with one strand of a chunky yarn or 2 strands of worsted weight yarn and a 9mm crochet hook. Start with a slip knot and work a foundation chain in any number. When you have your foundation chain the correct length, single crochet in the second stitch from the hook, and in each stitch all the way across the row. So 1 single crochet in each of the stitches. All across the row. Like that, 1 single crochet in each of the stitches. Chain 1 and turn. Now we're only going to work in the back side of the stitch, single crochet in each of the stitches all the way across the row. Like that, all the way across the row. Okay, I worked all the way across the row. At the end of the row, chain 1 and turn. And you're just going to keep repeating that row over and over. So in the back side of the stitch only, single crochet in each of the stitches all the way across the row. And you're going to repeat this row over and over until the work measures approximately 24 inches. For a larger size, simply add more rows. So I'm going to go ahead and work more rows, and I'll show you how that looks. Okay, I've gone ahead and I've worked some more rows, and this is how it's going to look. It's going to look like ribbing. So you're going to go ahead and you're going to keep working that same row over and over of chain 1 and turn, single crochet in each stitch across the row, working only in the back side of the stitch until this is long enough to either be able to pass over the head or approximately 22 to 24 inches. And when you have it the correct length, you're going to bring the 2 ends together and match the stitches on both sides and insert the hook in both and then slip stitch to join. So you're going to do that all the way up, passing the hook through and slip stitch to join. Like that. And then you can fasten off and weave the yarn end into the finished work. And then you can wear the cowl plain like this, or you can add a fringe along the bottom. To add a fringe, cut yarn approximately 6 or 7 inches long, fold it in half like this, and then take your hook, insert it through one of the stitches, and pull that fold through like that. And then pick up the 2 yarn ends and pass them through that loop like that.